Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put notes on home screen desktop Windows 11. To get started, enter notes in the search box. Click on Sticky Notes. In some cases, you must wait for the application to be updated. After that, click on the plus sign to create your note. Enter the desired text. Now click on the three dots to delete the note, add it to the notes list, or change its color if you wish. You can select the note text and make adjustments to the font. Then, in the application, click on the gear icon. Here you can make a series of global settings for sticky notes on your PC. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.